towing. So not only did it get lifted, it got tagged before the helicopter picked it up. This is just not a good day. These people are having a seriously bad day, folks. I really hope that's not your car. Uh-oh.
Oh, man.
Okay, this is not good. He stopped. There's only one reason he would stop. Okay, since we asked politely so many times, what should we do with it?
Drop it!
Drop it. 8.
Let her go!
7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Do what with it? Drop it! Oh no! For sale, one compact car, rooftop